Welcome to a world where power meets its absolute limit, where steel and engines roar in a wild dance against the very force of gravity. Here it's not just about pulling, it's about pushing every machine, every single gear, beyond all imaginable boundaries.
Wel weg als de redding in brengt meteen als een oh, gas, vertel hem, koppel.
Are you ready to feel the thrill? Picture this, a dirt arena, the air vibrating with raw anticipation. Then the rumble, a deep, visceral sound that heralds the arrival of mechanical giants. These aren't just ordinary tractors. They're competition beasts built for one purpose, to pull, and to pull with a force that defies logic itself. Every attempt is an explosion of adrenaline. The wheels bite into the ground, the engine screams, and the sled, that immovable weight, begins to creep forward, inch by agonizing inch. It's a battle of pure will, a duel between the machine and the sheer mass. You can almost smell the fuel, feel the heat radiating from every component, the tension building with every conquered yard. But it's just when you think you've seen everything that the true nature of these extreme challenges reveals itself. The power is incredible, yes, but it's also unpredictable. And sometimes, the machine gives way. A sudden burst of black smoke, an unexpected flash of flame, a roar that transforms into a metallic wail. It's the moment when the mechanics rebel, and the spectacle becomes even more dramatic.
Ladies and gentlemen.
The front wheels lift, pointing skyward in a gesture of defiance, or perhaps surrender. The tractor rears up, fighting for control. And sometimes the force is simply too much, and the steel giant loses its balance, tilting dangerously or even rolling over in a breathtaking display of uncontrolled power.
Oh, that thing got the juice up in it.
Hang on, boys. Here we go. There we go.
It's a brutal reminder of how fine the line is between triumph and collapse. But even in failure, there's a certain kind of beauty. The swiftness with which the safety crews rush in.
I thought I
Fire extinguishers at the ready is another testament to professionalism and courage. It's a world of extremes where every attempt, successful or not, leaves its indelible mark. This is the world of tractor pulling, where every run is a story and every breakdown is a legend. Get ready to be amazed and perhaps a little bit shocked, because here, the limit is just the starting line.